Welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing very important aspect of of an investment that can be of assistance to you, so that you can be able to change your mind about the way to go about this particular investment. So we shall be looking at how to invest in real estate with zero naira, step by step guide. How to invest in real estate investment in Nigeria without any capital. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the different way where you can be able to, to participate in real estate investment in Nigeria without, without having any money. What you need is just the information. You need to deal at the same time the opportunities that is available for you to be able to, to be able to change your mindset about investment in real estate. Investment in real estate with the mindset of, you must have millions, you must buy properties, you must get millions before you can go into real estate investment. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways by which you can do real estate investment with little or no capital. In that regard, you have to change your mindset. That is the first thing. You change your mindset, that you must have billions for you to be able to invest in real estate, so that you can be able to, be able to think in another way rounds, to be able to know what is deal, what is people, and then the information. Very, very key in realizing returns, in realizing, in making money in real estate investment. So in this, you can be able to look at this area where you can put, where you can participate in that regard. So the first thing you are going to look at, ways, that we have just mentioned. The first one is you will look at the real estate agent or broker. What do you need is to connect the tenant with the landlord and earn commission. You don't need to own that particular properties. When you have, when you business, and then they know that you are very good in that particular area, people will comes to you, and you can liaise with other agents for you to be able to have information where there is a property for them to be put for rentage. There might be a single property, and then 3 of you might be connected along the line, and then you share commission that come out of these particular dealings in terms of agency commission. It can be run up to 5 to 10%. So these are the one of the avenue way. You don't need to owe anybody, any party. You just need to have an office or have a place, and then connect with other relevant agents. Then you continue to market the available property, either for rentage or for sale, and then you make money in that regard. That is real estate or realtor, that you can make money without having money in real estate. The second one is property flipping. Property flipping. What do I mean by property flipping? It's just a way of being able to identify undervalued properties, connect buyer together with the seller, and earn commission. You can earn the difference. You can negotiate a distressed property, negotiate with the owner, get the price. Then you look for another investors that can come in, and then you make a lot of money with the differences. That's the way it works. That is what we call, identify undervalued properties. All these things might be strange to you, but when you are into the business, you will know which area to go, how you can be connected for you to be able to identify these properties we are talking about. So these are the scenarios, another way of investing in real estate without, without having any money. Then the next one is joint venture. That you find land or properties, deals. Bring the two investors, the buyer and seller together. Participate in the dealings, documentation, and everything. And you earn and you share part of the profit. That is you consummate with other people. You put them together, you form a joint venture, and then you identify those people that want to sell properties. Then all of you will come together, you make the deal, you do the meetings upon meetings, then you agree. And then when you have agreed, you the deal, then when the deal is being sealed, then you will take part in that profit. It's just a way of bringing money, and you share part of the profit. Then the next one is lease or sublet. Lease or sublet is very common now. You can identify the properties. When you identify the properties, it's not your own properties in a very good area, and you have little amount. You can get that, and you can rent that property, and then you furnish it. When you furnish it, then you put it in here BNB platform for renting. So you earn daily or monthly commission. I can remember there was a time in an estate, there are some property in some estate that they are using for rentage, for just for, for family meetings, or for functions that people don't want to be at home, just like a home, a flat well furnished. Then you bunk into the place, and then you pay your monthly rent, but you are the owner of the property. You have furnished it. You have rented the place for 1 year. You furnish it, then you place it on Airbnb, and you continue to make money on a daily, on a monthly basis. That is number four. That is number. Then we move to this and sublet. Then we move to real estate marketing. That is marketing real estate in social medias. This one is very easy for you to do. The only thing you identify where they are selling estate. You go there with your registered company that you are a realtor. They will give you video of these properties. When they give you the video of three properties, then you agree with them in terms of commission. If your company is a corporate entity, they give at least 10%, 10 to 15% commission. But if you are an individual, they give you about 5%. That's why you need to register your business. When you register your business, then you can be able to register with them with your business name, so that when they want to pay you, they will pay through your business. Like myself, I have a Division Consult Limited. I buy lands or estate for a lot of people, and then they pay me. The only thing you negotiate with them, you get the information, then you get all the marketing information, then you continue to sell. As long as you have registered with them, you have an agree. Any business that comes through you, you are entitled to commission of about 15% if you are a registered company. That is another way, real estate marketing. Then you can market all these particular scenarios, all these particular that estate. You can market it on TikTok. You can market it on Facebook. You can market it on the Instagram. You can market it on WhatsApp. You can market it. So if you are lucky, you need to, create work. There's nowhere you can get money without working for it. You need to work, and by the time you are into this business, opportunity will be coming here and there. Information will be coming to you, so that you can be able to gather. And then when you are gathering clients, some other client will connect you. And they will connect you, so that you can be able to blend together and continue to make money. You don't need to start small, and then you scale high. That's the way it works. That is it. Real estate marketing. You can market your real estate through social media. It might not be your property. It might be an identified property. It might be a property because you have done a group and they give you that particular property, or you just came across of that particular advertisement. Then you try to go to their address. You go and register with them. They will give you marketing information, and you continue to market those properties. And when you sell that, you are not the owner, and you are not spending any money. You are just spending money for advertisement, and you can do that with your networking. With your the church members and whatever. Then you seal a deal, and then you make money. Then then with all this said, there's another one you can do: real estate investment trust. Real estate investment trust, REITs. You can buy REIT into REIT with at least 10,000 naira. It's just like investing in stock. There are some REITs that are listed in Nigeria stock market, Nigeria stock exchange, so that you can buy into this particular space. These are companies that buy big property for rentage, for you know for corporate organization, for individual. The profit generated by this company, they are being mandated that they must share at least 90% of those income to their shareholders as dividend. So you can invest through UPDC, REITs. You can invest through SFS REITs. These are companies that are listed on stock market that you can quickly put your money in. It's just like you are buying other shares like Zenith, like GT or wherever. They are green listed, and you can come in and come out of your investment at any point in time. That is number 6. Then we move to the next one, which is number 7, is wholesaling advanced strategies. Sellers. Somebody that want to sell the property, distressed seller that was so eager, they want to sell this property. When you want to sell most of these properties, it's not easy to turn them to cash. So when somebody needed money urgently and he has property to be sold, he has to contact the like of the agent for them to be able to. So you as an individual, if you are be able to identify this property is a distressed property, you can quickly negotiate with them that, okay, this property worth 30 million. Okay, no problem. I'm going to give you 30 million. Just give me a space of 1 month. Then you now find seller that can you can sell that particular property for as much as 50 million. You can make the profit. I'm telling you, and then you get a seller as long as the properties are genuine. Then you sell, you give the other person 30 million naira, you pocket the difference. That is the way it works. So in this regards, we must be able to be guided. There are some risks involved in this particular scenario. The risks such as don't get carried away. Verify the documentation about the properties. Verify them. Make sure that they have genuine documents. It's very, very key. Involve lawyer. Do the verification by visiting the location of the property. At the same time, developers credibility, very, very important. Developer credibility. You have to be sure of the property for the integrity's sake, for you to be able to master, so that you can have that kind of privilege to have that kind of information that you have so much confidence that the property you are selling is a genuine property. You need to do your due diligence. What are the action plans for you if you want to start this kind of business without with no capital? You need to have a plan. The plan in such a way that you have to learn the market. You have to learn the market through you can learn through YouTube. At the same time, you must partner with agents. I've said it before. At the same time, you must start promoting properties and close your deal and earn your commission. That is the way to go about it. These are the scenario for you to be able to, have the mindset that you must have billion for you to be able to participate in real estate investment in Nigeria. These are various ways for you to be able to imbibe and then quickly make money for yourself in that regard. I hope you enjoyed this video. When you like video, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever we are giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Thank you for watching this video today and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.